Oh. Is it bedtime yet? Or am I just waking up from a nap? By the way, guys, I don't wear or I meant my French sister from Quebec is not around. Oh my goodness. Because it affects her hair line. Do you know my hair is still damp? Oh, that one kind of gave me a tiny bit of a headache. My goodness, guys. Am I missing my refill every time? Oh, I'm still waking up, guys. Mm. My eyes are so red. How come I'm looking at my eyes and I went like this? That's the kind of stuff now that I do since my concussion. Weirdo. Where am I? Uh, my ears are itchy these days. I got some mineral oil. Or is it cod liver oil? No, it's mineral oil. So I bought some mineral oil and stuff, and I'm going to do a self cleanse after I wash my hair, because I'll know that I had my head and my ear in the water enough. And then, so when everything's nice and hot, I'll put that oil in, and then I'll syringe it out, and then, and then, and then, and then, and then, and then, and out, and then, and then. That's the way it goes. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen. That's what happened. I think I got a tiny bit of a suntan this week. Believe it or not, I gave myself a avocado olive oil treatment. Ugh, and lucky for me, I don't get pimples, but my my skin, I find the T-zone is quite oily, darling.